Friends, I bring a very popular multivitamin for you today. This is Surbex Z, and this medication has been in use in Pakistan. It's not a medication, it's actually a multivitamin, but it's indicated for correction of vitamin B complex, vitamin E, vitamin C, and zinc deficiency. As we all know that zinc deficiency may contribute to growth retardation, arrested sexual maturation, night blindness, anorexia, impaired taste acuity, diarrhea, acrodermatitis, enteropathica, alopecia, and dryness and hyperpigmentation of the skin, delayed wound healing and emotional disturbances. You can take one tablet with your breakfast and all these problems will be solved. And there has been some research that indicates that many people in Pakistan are deficient in zinc. So this medicine can correct most of the problems that we face in Pakistan. And the zinc is a requirement for the male to have in sufficient forms to produce testosterone. We need zinc, and to make to improve our sexual arousal, we need zinc. And even on a daily basis, to fight depression, to stay happy, we need vitamin B complex. So this medicine has it, and it's all natural, so you could use this multivitamin for benefit. And I hope you liked the video. If you liked our video, please like and share our channel, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.